Hello, ladies and gents. This is my Hydro Garden Part 4, Hydroponic Garden. And here's the follow-up after so many days. The last time that I showed you this garden, it was day 6. This is day 16. So this is the growth. Is this day 16 days old? Yeah, 16 days old. And this is what we got at 16 days old here. Let me get you a little closer. Here's the my chili plants here. This is turnips, collards, Romanian lettuce, and it's butter crunch lettuce, Romanian. What we have here is watermelon, collards, collard greens. These came from seeds that I had already planted from a previous plant here. These came from bought seeds. Here goes some more collards right here. In the back here is mustard. They don't look like they're doing that great, but you know. Actually, I would say the watermelon is not 16 days old. It might be maybe 10 days old because I planted 2 of them afterwards. And this lettuce is probably 10 days old too, but the rest of them should be around 16 days old. So I'm just giving you a follow up of my in-house indoor garden here. What I really wanted to grow here was really mainly lettuce, and the good thing is that the lettuce is doing very well. All of it doing pretty well right now, but the lettuce is really what I'm looking for. Lettuce and pepper. So I threw in some watermelons for the heck of it just to see what it'll do. Cobs and turnips, something I'll probably do outside, but I'm just testing. So there we go. 16 days old. These plants are 16 days old. Today is the 19th, though. Today is September 19th, 2024. I initially planted these seeds on September the 4th. So here's a follow-up. Everything's going okay so far. So this is a little stick. This came with put that in there if it grow up. It's a little stick I can throw in there. But yeah, it's so good so far, so I'll give you a follow-up again. But here we go with the follow-up. 16 days old. And there we go. There we go. You'll have a great day.